Wait, did it start?
It started, it's on.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Ishika, and today we are going to be doing St. Patrick's Day makeup for the eyes. My mom also did this makeup look, but I'm doing it to make it more kiddie. Let's get started. First, you're gonna put on some eyeshadow primer. You can see it. To put this on our eyes. Okay. It's blended in. Okay. So now we're gonna do the eye makeup. So if you're a kid and you wanna do this, it's a good look to do. This is the palette. It's from Anastasia. And there's a lot of different colors in here. There's Cube, Dawn, Destiny, Urban, All-Star, Mercury, Axis, Roxy, Electric, Fudge, New Wave, Edge, and that's it. These are all the colors. And the color I will be doing is green. So we're gonna be doing this one. There's two greens in here, but if you want to do like the lighter one, then that's okay too. I'm doing the darker one, but if you wanted to do the lighter one's called Destiny. Okay, so I put it on. It's pretty dark. It's not that bad. Take the green look. We did one eye. Now we have to do the other eye. This look doesn't take that much. It's just like a little simple look. This look is for kids. So like, you could do it for adults too. I'm not being like, not saying adults can't do this look. But I'm doing this look for kids because the one that my mom did was more for adult because she's an adult. Honestly, this is like a really dark color. Like, but I'll fix it. I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do with it. Okay. So if you guys haven't seen my mom's video, you should definitely go look at her video. Okay, so we got the green down, and now we're going to do a little bit of electric because it's like a goldish green, so you want to put a little gold in there. Might look nice. Okay, so I just finished my first eye. It looks pretty nice. You can see the little glitter. See? That's my eye. So the electric, it's hard to see. It might just look like gold, but it's really not. It's like a goldish green. Like there's like, when you see it, there's like green inside of it, and it also comes out green. Now we have to touch up a little bit. Now we're gonna add up like a tad bit more glitter. Okay. Okay. Touched up a little bit around the eye. And then now we are going to do some lip gloss. I'll be back. I found a pretty nice color to go with it. It's not that bad of a color. Okay, that lipstick does not work. Cause see, look. No. Actually, it's a pretty good color to go with. Now, this is makeup setting spray. I think I was supposed to put this on before. So it was like, wow. This smells like cucumbers. Okay guys, so that's all I have for you guys today. I did my eyes and my lips. I hope you guys enjoyed and see you next time. Bye.